I thought this thing was burning down.
Where's this diesel coming from?
Right? No? It's not in the valley. What happened here? It's still doing it? Oh, yeah. I think it's like the injection pump or something. That's diesel. Shut it down. Yeah. On today's episode of Watch Chair Go, we are here with my F-250 on the side of the road. People said this would happen. Should have bought a Dodge. What is going on, guys? I'm Watch Chair Go, and I'm here with 100% Jake in my F-250 with his Honda Insight on the trailer. We don't need this for anything soon, right? Because I feel like it's down.
Well, getting home.
It's hard down. Yeah, well, there's 2 more hours to home. But of course, we were driving back from Kansas City and catastrophic truck failure, dude. Catastrophic. So I guess let's start this back up, drive it off to this exit over here, and we will call AAA and see if we can get this thing towed home. It's gonna be a mess pulling this with a trailer.
Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna do that.
I might have to make another call and have somebody come fetch the trailer.
Yeah. This just became a hell of a trip.
A long night. It was a pretty easy night.
Yeah.
Such a good truck. I love it. Stranded.
So, do you have AAA?
I do.
My subscription does not exist anymore.
It does stop leaking when you shut the engine off. So it's gotta be the injection pump.
Wow, look how quick it's soaking into this fresh asphalt.
I know, huh? It all disappeared instantly.
Self-cleaning, wow.
Yeah.
Oh man, and it's all...
Wow. We covered everything. This just started and only lasted like a minute. What on earth, F-250? So, we pulled out of the gas station, a truck stop, just put diesel in it, nothing crazy, just truck stop diesel, filled it up with DEF, not obviously DEF went in the right tank, and we pulled out of the gas station. It was like reduced engine power. I was like, what? What do you mean reduced engine power? Like, there's nothing wrong. There was something wrong. It is 1000% low fuel pressure, I think, because it like blew up the injection pump.
Yeah. Finally saw like the cloud of smoke behind us.
And you know, when I bought it, we knew something was wrong. I bought it from Carmax so cheap because all the fuel rails, the whole fuel system, it was all brand new. It had brand new barcodes. It was all perfectly clean. I think this thing might have a lot of problems with its fuel system. Maybe that's what's going on. We managed to cover this car.
Hey, it's clean.
Yeah, it's covered in diesel. The trailer is soaking wet. And then the whole road was just covered in smoke instantly. That's why I pulled over.
So here's the other problem. There's no shoulder on this.
No, there's not really a shoulder.
It's like an 80-mile-an-hour highway with no shoulder.
Look how much it was dumping.
Should we call a safety car at the minimum?
Oh, I think we could drive it to there's an exit right over there.
Okay.
Yeah, so we could get it off the road.
Okay.
But
I'm in favor of that plan.
Yeah, I'm down to get somewhere safe. Well, that's cool. Thanks, F-250. You done me well. It needed to break. It had been a long time.
Yeah.
It was about, hadn't seen the check engine light in like 2 months.
Yeah. Okay.
So it was like, hi, no more driving for you.
60 days of service and that's it.
Yeah, exactly. All right, we are off the highway, hanging out in like a big gravel area. As you can see, there's a big wet spot under the truck because it kept dumping fuel out. I don't know how common it is. This thing's always had a tick, and we always knew it had like a weird fuel system issue that has been fixed before, and it just did it again. But no big deal. I mean, it lasted 20,000 miles before having a fuel system issue on me. So, I mean, I'm not upset about any of this. We did get pulled over, like as soon as we stopped shooting, we saw a cop turning around in the median. And I ran back there and I was like, everything's fine, we'll get off the road. And he was like, all right, see you later. Good luck. That's the third car that's blown up here this week. I think as soon as he said that, it wasn't the Ford. What happened is we were in the Bermuda Triangle of Highway 35.
Yeah, it's cursed.
Yeah, and the truck was like, yeah, I'm gonna succumb to the curse. So, I mean, whatever. Everything was cool there. And now we're gonna call AAA, and Eric's on his way to save us with, he's gonna grab the trailer, bring his new Ram.
Hey, we can just ride back in that, can't we?
I don't know. I don't know what tow truck man's gonna do. I don't know.
Tow truck man's gonna dump this off at Carmax and
He
make
probably
it no
is.
problem.
I kind of wanted to dump it off at my house and let me drive to Carmax so I can get my stuff. But we'll see, we'll see. Anyway, we're, found on road dad. There we go. The best Ford content on YouTube. This is the home for it. The saga of the F-250 that never ends. But anyway, I still love it.
Watch JR go, the best Dodge advertisement in the world.
The Dodge Brothers. Not covering your steps with diesel fuel.
Oh my gosh, the
There's
side steps are so slippery.
So much diesel on it. The trailer's covered in diesel. Everything got covered instantly. Wow, these are gonna be so clean.
Yeah, I don't have to wash the inside now.
No,
this is great.
You just step on things with your feet and they'll be covered in diesel instantly. All right, let's call AAA.
Yeah.
All right, AAA called. We're just hanging out. I mean, we could fire up the massage. Where else are you gonna sit in the lap of luxury in the perfect truck while it doesn't run, but you can still get a massage?
Yeah.
Not that bad.
The $40,000 mobile massage seat is a pretty good use of money.
This cost a lot more than that.
I don't know what money is.
Anyway, so we called AAA, and I was like, well, it needs to go to Carmax in Wichita. And she's like, oh, I must have got that wrong. It looks like it's 137 miles away. I was like, no, you did not. That's exactly where this truck needs to be. She said, well, I see you have one long tow, so we'll make that happen. Luckily, I pay for the premium one. I've never used AAA in my life. There's never been a car that we couldn't recover. And I'm like, I'm not calling AAA. But on this, first of all, we have the rule that I will not work on this truck because Carmax has to fix everything. What's the point of a warranty if not? But, we've never needed them before. I called them. Broke down. I was almost going to call my brother and be like, bring the gooseneck. And Eric's on his way with his truck. We can take 2 trucks and get them all home. But, oh well. We'll let them tow this thing to Carmax. I'll get all my stuff out. We get to hang out for a solid, they said within an hour. So catch up on the bromance, drink our vanilla Coke.
Oh no.
The battery died. Now we're done. I'm kidding. We did just go to Joe's Barbecue, and we did just drive a ZR1. So it's been a great day. Here's the baby pull. There's really nothing wrong with this truck breaking down at this point, other than the fact that, oh, I've got the flip truck. I was like, what am I gonna do without a truck? All right, guys. In my head, there's a lot going on right now. I was like, I'm going to die without a truck. And they're gonna, Carmax being Carmax, the one downside is they'll be like, yeah, we'll get that in 3 weeks. I'm like, yeah. I'm gonna put it in your parking lot and you need to get it in tomorrow.
AAA paid for itself. The flip truck is gonna come in clutch.
AAA is like $200 a year, I think, right?
Yeah.
This tow will probably
this been like
$500-600.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be massive. And I have to pay Eric for his gas to come get the trailer. And Jake just filled this up because we were picking up his car, and we probably just blew $20 of diesel back out of the bottom of it in like minutes.
That was an impressive flow rate.
It was. There's a lot coming out. Anyway, if you buy a Ford,
it smells real good in here.
They're not that bad. The diesel air freshener is good. If you pay
it's
extra.
Like it rolls.
In an S550, you pay extra for the air freshener,
yeah.
And you can't even get a diesel cartridge for Mercedes.
Yeah,
we got the diesel cartridge.
We got the good old boy Kansas air freshener.
As long as we don't get robbed, we're good. If we get robbed,
the hoodlums out here in the middle of nowhere.
If we get robbed out here, I'm throwing in the towel. We're calling it done. There's no more. It's now 12:15 a.m. Sunday, Father's Day morning. I think the last time we did an update, it was like 9:30 maybe. And Eric is coming from Wichita with the truck to get the trailer. And AAA still hasn't dispatched a tow truck. So we're still sitting here waiting. Hopefully they get this figured out soon. I was sitting there making this update and this Accord pulls up and this random guy here, what's your name?
Luke.
Luke?
Yeah, Luke, man.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
He was like, I was just watching your video. I was like, what video? He's like, the Audi one. I was like, oh, it just came out, yeah. So anyway, I was telling him we're stranded on the side of the road. So anyway, it's not like anyone expected anything else from the truck, but the injection pump or something blew up and it's just pouring diesel. So we're just waiting on AAA to show up.
Okay.
But
well, yeah,
it's the perfect night. Yeah.
Exactly. At least it's nice out, I guess. You know.
Thanks for watching the channel.
Hey, of course, man.
Well, it's not my car, so I guess I don't have to do the work. All right, we can get the F-250 out of here, getting the trailer off. Eric's gonna hook onto it with the new beast.
I'd leave the red car here and pull your truck on the truck.
Jared said the same thing.
That's what I would do.
Jared was like, you 100% need to take your truck. Here we go. Hopefully she starts. She started right up. Didn't even flinch. There's my new diesel puddle. Oh well. There's $3.
Quick, scoop it back up.
Yeah, put it back in the tank. Hey, you're pretty quick. Keep going. Hammer that thing down. Oh, it'll fall. It pumped out a quarter tank since we left that gas station. That is so unfortunate. That's actually a lot of money. There goes another mile. I wonder if it's showing the gas mileage like up to date. You are now getting 1 gallon per mile. 32, 31. All right, we were just jumping one exit down so we could leave this thing in a city. It's now below a quarter tank. We've gone 5 miles and it went through 7 gallons of diesel. Yeah, that's what your truck's supposed to do when you're parking it. I tried to put this in the best place I could so the tow truck could just zip in here and scoop this thing up. Hopefully this works. Eric's here with the Dodge, like we said, got it hooked up. I don't know if this is one of those Dodge gets you home kind of things.
No Dodge. It's
No.
It's a Ram.
There's no difference.
Yes, there is. This ain't no Kia.
Oh man. This ain't no Fiat. Wait, still a Fiat.
It's Fiat.
Which button is massage? Is it?
Which button? Exito fuel cuz?
Ejectocito. Well, the truck should get picked up soon. It says 1,303 minutes. That's no problem at all. 1,303 minutes divided by 60. That's 21 hours away. That's not too bad. They'll pick it up in maybe a day or maybe never. Well, what was a quick down and back from Kansas City ended up being a long day. So it's now just past 4 a.m. We planned on being back here and unloaded and all done around 11. So it took a little bit longer and AAA still has not picked up the truck. So I'm glad we didn't stay. I kind of thought I was gonna stay with it until they got there. I was like, we have to leave. So anyway, cheap truck got me home because the Chevy with the 5.3 is probably one of the greatest trucks ever made. Anything with an LS in it, I promise you guys. But I love my Ford. Anyway, that thing will probably be fixed in like 2 or 3 weeks. Hopefully they pick it up in the morning and that should take care of that. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over to shop.watchchairgo.com where you get cool shirts just like this. And please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. And I'll talk to you next time. So just an easy 6 a.m. to 4 a.m. Normal day. All right, pulling in the Carmax. In the $3,500 Chevy. And would you look at that? That is one very big tow truck dropping off the F-250. What a monster. Well, shout out to AAA for getting this thing home. And Quality Towing for having one epic truck. Grabbed a bunch of my stuff. That's where we're gonna leave her until we know what Carmax has to say about it. So hopefully they get it in tomorrow.